Yo, what's up guys? I'm Andy and this is how to buy Bitcoin in under 1 minute. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is download and open up Cash App. If you don't have Cash App, sign up with the link in the description, get $5 for free. It's the best banking and investing app in the game. Next, you want to come to the investment tab, then go to the Bitcoin section. You can scroll down, tap buy. Type in the amount that you want to buy. I'm going to type $3, tap next, scan my fingerprint, tap confirm, and just like that, we've purchased some Bitcoin. You can see that it took $3 from my Cash App balance and added to my Bitcoin owned here at the top of the screen. If I wanted to, I could sell this Bitcoin and it would go directly back to my Cash App balance, where I can move it to my bank or do whatever I want to do with it. There you have it, the easiest, fastest way to invest in Bitcoin. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Definitely check out the other videos on the channel. There's hundreds of tutorials and experiments for investing and Cash App. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.